Hi everyone. I got sent this clip a week or so ago by one of my instructors, and this incident happened on one of their lessons. And quite simply, it involves a dog walker walking a dog with an extendable lead. It is a subject that I bring up with my pupils, but I'm just wondering whether there's other drivers out there who think the same as me, and if you don't, maybe this can be a good lesson. After the pupil does a left turn at this mini roundabout, you'll be able to pick up on the dog and their owner walking on the left side of the road. And I'll just let you have a look at the clip first time round. Before we go on any further, the dog was fine. My instructor got to the dual controls a little bit before the pupil did, and I can promise you the dog survived. It actually wasn't even hit. Now let's go back and have a look at it again. These half-light conditions are often the most awkward to see things. And maybe because of the narrow road and the oncoming cars, that's where the pupil's attention was. And even now at this point, the dog wouldn't be a problem if that was a fixed length lead. But it's not. The owner is oblivious to what's going on as the dog's behind them, and the dog walks out into the road and takes more lead with it. A big well done to my instructor for saving that guy's dog. Thanks for watching.